Are you ready for a party?
Say Jingle Bell. Oh, wrong holiday.
What is the holiday?
It
was Martin Luther King Day a few days ago.
Yeah.
After that, I don't know. Maybe Groundhog Day's next. I'm sure there's a President Day.
Tyler Day.
Yes, there's Tyler Day.
She turns her head every time.
I know she's shy.
Shy.
Shy. You ain't shy. You ain't shy. I'm looking at you. Say cool.
She give him his thing.
What was that? Cool. Cool. Say cool.
Did you give him his thing? Huh?
No, I'm getting ready to right now. Yeah. And this is Tyler's cake that his brother made him. Wasn't that sweet?